So hey guys, as you can see in the thumbnail, you can observe that Octopus gives something, and it's also there. Like, wait, is this true? Yes guys, that is true. And do you want to know that what it'll give, or how much amount it'll give? Please don't skip the video and watch till the end. Then what are we waiting for? Let's get into our video. Fact number 1. Octopus. Yeah, the three-hearted marine animal or aquatic animal, anything else. But do you know, guys, this three-hearted aquatic animal octopus will give uh, at a time 56,000 eggs, guys. 56,000 eggs, and you can see in the thumbnail that something is there, and that is the octopus eggs, guys. You need not to be worried, or don't think and spoil your brain. That is the eggs of the octopus. Fact number 2. Wars. You can observe this each and every day, and at present it's still going on now. The COVID-19 war or Corona war. Okay, leave it now. Do you know that there is a war happened at 1896, which was lasted like just 38 minutes, guys? And do you want to know that what is the name of that war? And now I'm gonna say that the war name is Anglo-Zanzibar, and this was happened at 1896. If you want to know more about this war, I have given in the description box the Wikipedia link of this Anglo-Zanzibar war, so you can learn more about this thing. Fact number 3. Pupils. Do you think that pupils, disciples? Not like that, guys. Pupils means I'm saying about the pupil which is there inside your eye. It's acting like a camera for you. Yeah. You're seeing this whole world with that pupils only. There are two pupils in our body. One is at left eye and another one is at right eye. But do you know that our pupil is in circle? But also, do you know that the goat's pupil is in rectangular shape, guys? Yes, guys, that's true. Fact number 4. Space. Yes, we can go and survive in that. But the birds can survive or not. Even though the oxygen supply is there, they can't, guys, because they should survive means they need food. They need food means we have to give that, but they have to take food means they'll need gravitational force, guys. To swallow their food they need gravitational force, because the bird's neck pressure is not powerful enough to swallow the food which was eaten by the bird. But in space, due to lack of gravity, they can't eat their food. They will starve and they will die. Simple. Fact number 5. In my last video, means not the Telugu video, like the 9th episode, Telugu or English, anything, but in that I told you that Venus, the planet, will actually revolve in counterclockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Means both are same, only just difference in names. But do you know that Venus snow is made up of metal, guys? I'm having a idea. If we have a particular technology or advanced technology, and we will go to Venus, then we will use that metal to make even powerful material. Yes, guys, okay. Those are just imaginations. Maybe they will come true. Okay. And you can observe that in today's video, there is a slight changes actually. And also, today is a special video, guys. This video was the 10th episode of English. Yeah. Means I have started this channel like 10 weeks. Yeah. And also 10th episodes. And also 20 episodes. in both languages. Now, as you can see in the thumbnail, there's some difference between the first thumbnail or the before thumbnail version I kept and the newer thumbnail, or at present the thumbnails what I kept. There's some difference. Yeah. Because I have kept that because you will attract for that, and you want to know that what is that, is it really true, or you want to know that, wait, what is that, you can't understand and you want to see the video. Like that only you can gain your knowledge with not only that fact, with another 4 facts, guys. So please don't skip my video. Yeah, in outro cases that's exceptional, because no need of outro that much, but you need more about the facts. So please don't skip the video when you're watching facts. Yeah. And what softwares did I use? You want to know that? Please check in the description box, then you can know that what I used, what softwares did I use for editing and other things. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. By the way, wait a minute, I want to say one thing, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like the video, comment the video, and also share the video to your friends and family. And also subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, means click the bell icon and change it to all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Leave it.